What is happening with silver? Is silver a good investment? Is silver rising to the price of USD dollar? Or silver is rising maybe to GBP, British pound? Is silver rising to other currencies? Is it a good idea to buy silver as investment? On this chart, we can see the silver price to dollar, American dollar. And this chart shows clearly that there is a rise of value, the rise of price of silver to US dollar. In 2003, the price of silver, one coin, 1 ounce of silver, was just $4.6. Today, 1 ounce of silver is $29. But few weeks ago, 1 ounce of silver was $34, almost $35. $35. It is a lot, from $4 to $5 just in 20 to 23 years. This is a very good investment compared, let's say, to the stock markets. Not all stock markets, but if we compare FTSE 100, the 100 biggest companies on London Stock Exchange, then we can find out that actually it was better to invest in silver coins than in UK stock market. There is a question. Is silver better than other assets like stock market in the United States? It depends which stock market and which shares. There are S&P and other indexes, and it depends which you have chosen. One thing is for sure: one index was worse than the growing price of silver, and another one was better. So this is a big question. Is it good to buy silver? Is silver going up? Is silver going up next year? What will be the price of silver, let's say in 10 years or in 25 years? Well, first of all, we have to understand that the price of silver just in 2011 was $50 per 1 ounce. Since that time, countries' national banks printed so much money. It was 14 years ago. National banks like United States Fed, Eurozone Bank, ECB, European Central Bank, British National Bank, Bank of England, BOE, printed so much money that is strange. We have now silver at the point of $29 per 1 ounce. If in 2011 silver was already $50 per 1 ounce, how on earth it is cheaper today if in 13, 14, 15 years the M3, the index, the chart shows quantity of money produced is much higher. 2-3 times depend on currency, depend on country. We would say that silver was pushed back by a growing crypto market. People forgot about silver. People forgot about gold. They invested heavily in this crypto market. They invested heavily in corporations in the United States. Corporations in the branch of tech, in big tech. So if we consider that, we have to understand that there is demand for silver And if big tech is growing, if AI is growing, if technology is growing, then those mentioned need a lot of silver. Even the solar panels need silver. Silver is used on mass scale in the world. There is a lot of silver around the world, but the silver is cheap per 1 ounce. Now, 1 ounce of silver is $29. But 1 ounce of gold just before but 1 ounce of gold just not long time ago was 2,800. That means 1 ounce of silver is cheaper by 100 times. 100 times. So for 1 ounce of gold, you can get 100 ounces of silver. One gold coin equals 100 silver coins. Let's say it depends what time. 90, 95, 100 coins. 1 to 100. Scientific data shows that there is around 100 times more silver in the world, or even more, than gold. So actually, it covers logic behind high price of gold and 100 times smaller price of silver. But there is question. What is used more, gold or silver in tech industry, in electronics, etc.? We know for sure that silver is growing and will be growing. And another thing that we have to mention is this what happened in 1980. You see, in 1980, just 44 years ago, 1 ounce of silver was already for few days, few seconds, 1 week maybe. I am not so old to remember that, and I am not sure that you would sell a lot of silver at this price that time. But it was already $50 per 1 ounce as in 2011. So 1 ounce of silver in 1980 was already $50. Then, in 2011, 1 ounce of silver was again $50, but today is 29. These are just short periods during which the silver went up so much and then dropped very heavily, very fast. But overall, silver is growing. Silver is growing. You can see that you can earn a lot on silver. Silver must grow because we use it in tech industry. Silver must grow when the M3 is growing, when the quantity of money is growing around the world. There is Copernicus law that says quantity of money, bad money, good money. Actually, Gresham described this law after Copernicus was faster. Copernicus, the Polish scientist, actually described the law about the quantity of money when Gresham was born. So, Copernicus, Polish scientist from Toruń, was actually invented that faster. The quantity of money. When the bad money is losing to good money. And if we consider silver is good money, then we understand what is going on. This is US dollar to silver, but look at this. This is US dollar to GBP. To GBP. Just in 2006, 1 ounce of silver was 5 pounds. Today it is 23 pounds. But it was 27 pounds. It was 27 pounds in October 2024. Just a while ago. A few months ago. This silver reached almost old high from 2011, which was 30 pounds. So silver is on the top. The thing is that since 2006, we can see 2008, from 5 pounds, it is 500% rise. 500% profit. 500% profit. From 2016, 1 ounce of silver was 8.8 pounds. So today is 3 times more. Just in 8 years, it is 200% pure profit, minus taxes and storage, because you have to store those silvers somewhere. It's a lot of silver if you want to earn a lot. As I told you, 1 kg of gold is 100 kg of silver. Which is a big problem, because you need storage for silver. Do you understand? Yes. But it is growing. Silver, gold gave more profit in 2-3 decades than the most of stock markets. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel, follow me, and please help me with sharing my channel, this video, on your social media. Thank you very much. Speak to you soon.